Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Bitcoin just hit a massive level, and honestly, things are getting spicy. After that brutal drop in the last 24 hours, a lot of traders are shaken out. But if you look beneath the panic, there are some signals that the final wave could be closer than most expect. Let's break it down. First, that sell-off. Bitcoin landed right at the bottom of a big descending channel, about $99,000. That's also where the one Fibonacci extension and value area low converge. No surprise, over $500 million in longs got liquidated. When fear is maxed out and volume spikes exactly at the low, it's often a sign a reversal is brewing. Now what makes this time feel different? Bullish signals are piling up. Check the MACD on the daily. Price made lower lows, but the MACD is making higher lows. That's classic bullish divergence. The stochastic oscillator. Double bottom, just like before the last major rally. And don't forget the CME gap sitting at $130,000. Historically, those gaps get filled more than 90% of the time. But the lower time frames are still bearish, so risk management is a must. Key levels? Bulls need to reclaim $102,300. That's the base of the previous range. Get above that and hold, and shorts could get squeezed, pushing us towards new highs. But if we break down, $95,800 and $91,300 are the next big targets. Don't be surprised if price wicks below support to clear stop clusters before bouncing. Altcoins are moving in sync with Bitcoin. Ethereum, XRP, Solana, each one slammed into support. Solana actually nailed its daily level and XRP grabbed liquidity below recent lows. If these bounces stick, it just strengthens the turnaround case, but only if Bitcoin leads. So how do I trade this? Level to level. I watch for liquidation zones and manage risk tight. Personally, I re-entered longs near the bottom, stops tight, sizing small. This market rewards those who think for themselves, stay patient, and don't chase FOMO. Bottom line, Bitcoin's at a crossroads. The reversal setup is there, but wait for confirmation. If key levels flip, we might just see that final bullish wave. Stay sharp, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you next time. Now that we've covered Bitcoin's critical inflection point, let's shift gears and look at the indicators that could decide where the market goes from here. In this chapter, we'll break down the on-chain data, trading sentiment, and macroeconomic trends you need to track to stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a day trader or a long-term investor, these signals could be the difference between catching the next wave or getting left behind. Stay tuned as we dive into the details, and remember, knowledge is your best edge in these volatile markets.